Wearing hard hats with piles of debris nearby, the Archbishop of Paris, priests, and restoration workers celebrated the first Mass at Notre Dame since its catastrophic fire. Only 30 were allowed in to mark the iconic cathedral's consecration in the Chapel of the Virgin, the stained glass windows still intact, the cathedral roof open to the sky. The fire raged through Notre Dame April 15th, the centuries-old roof caving in, the spire crashing down.
Oh my God, these people just fell inside the church.
Outside, they prayed. Thousands are still drawn here, some watching the Mass on their phones, the cathedral towering above. The rose window covered in netting so fragile, workers fear the glass could fall.
Well, it's sad. I mean, the whole structure of it is burned down. It was a horrible event. But as a lot of things in Europe have been knocked down before, they'll build it back up again.
Saturday's Mass, a symbolic start, but pledges to rebuild are slow to come in. They've only seen $200 million of the almost $1 billion pledged.